I personally stopped discussing about the diet with the people who doesn't value their health. You know what? Most of the time you get the advice about the diet from the people who do not follow anything in their life. And I hear a lot about diet because I personally follow my own diet. If you hear something like that, if you hear something from someone who doesn't follow anything and focus on it, you will be fooled, guys. So never follow anything without finding information related to that. So there is a lot of information available on the internet how we can achieve a good health or how you can maintain a good health. You know what? Balanced diet, right food and exercise. So these are the factors are very important for maintaining the good health. But there are nutrition myths, those will never leave calm. And nowadays, through the use of social media and internet, it's so much easier to spread the false information on the internet. So if you want to start your nutritional journey or healthy lifestyle, you need to know which nutritional facts to believe in, and always remember to go in depth. It is also important to do some of the research before diving into the conclusion, guys. You should take some time and you should be serious about these things if you want to achieve your body that you want and if you want to achieve the health that you want. So in this video, I will explain my personal experience about the most common food nutrition myths. So myth number 1 is do not eat after 6 p.m. or late at night. Eat before 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. Guys, several studies have confirmed that we can trim down fats by eating early. You know what? We can absolutely eat our last meal before 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. but doesn't really affect on your metabolism rate. It is more about what you eat at the time when you will be resting more. So you will absolutely produce fat if you take snacks and sit lazily or while watching TV you eat something. The truth here is that if you eat more late at night, it is surely and absolutely gonna have impact on your body. But it is more important that what you eat rather than eating before 7. And you don't have to keep that time. Just have your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bedtime so that you will get enough time or your body will get enough time to digest the food properly. Keep in the mind that the food you eat is more critical than the time what you eat. Myth number 2 is oatmeal is good for your diet. Indeed, oatmeal is really good for our health. This is true if oatmeal you eat is made from scratch and if you sweeten it with some fruit and honey, the way I make it. If we are talking about the oatmeal that many people eat, then that's entirely and completely different matter. The truth is that the instant oatmeal with the fruit flavors are completely unhealthy. And if you add sugar or dry fruits deep into the sugar syrup into your oatmeal, you won't get many benefits out of it. And you will start wondering that why oatmeal isn't working, right? You know what? Prepare overnight oatmeal the way I make it with the fruits and milk and eat it for the breakfast every single day. You will find the link in the description for the recipe. Guys, the way I make a oatmeal, you will just love it if you make it in same way. It tastes like dessert. So go and check out that recipe. Nutritional myth number 3 is do a detox diet. So when you think about or hear about this detox diet, you are thinking about the cleansing your body, getting rid of your toxins and clean eating, right? So in this, you just eat fruit, drink juice and eat supplements. Guys, until now there is no confirmed data that shows which toxins this detox diet really targets. The truth here is that when you are done with your detox diet and when you resume your normal eating routine, the weight you have trimmed down will eventually keep coming back. So it will be more helpful if you focus on eating habits that you can sustain on daily basis for longer period of time, and then only you can easily detox your body. Nutrition myth number 4 is magic foods for fat loss. Avoiding the delicious foods, avoiding unhealthy, however tasty food takes a lot of willpower, and we know that, and many people give up on that. And that's why so many of us look for the shortcuts, right? And so-called magic foods. Guys, healthy lifestyle doesn't really start with losing fat. although many people have a goal to lose fat and become healthy. However, the fitness industry and the food industry never claim about easy or shortcut ways to lose fat. Fat loss is a long-lasting process that happens because of consistency and mindful eating. So rather than focusing on the magic foods, you should focus on building the habits that will sustain for a longer period of time and you can become healthy. Nutrition myth number 5 is go vegetarian to lose weight. You know what? Personally, I was vegetarian for about 14 months, but that wasn't to lose fat. A lot of health conscious people avoid eating red meat, they avoid eating chicken, they avoid eating seafood and even dairy products just so they can lose weight. They think that going vegetarian is the key. The truth here is, in order to lose weight while you are on vegetarian diet, you have to make sure that you still get all the required nutrients that your body needs, and you also need to get the necessary amount of calories in every single day. To add to that, losing weight is not always about the food that you eat. Basically, in reality, the total amount of calories that you are consuming every single day still is a turning point. So focus on how many calories that you are consuming every single day and how many calories you burn every single day. You can try counting based on the food that you are eating and how much exercise that you are doing. Count that and you will have an idea about how many calories that you consume and how many calories that you are burning every single day. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please mention comments in the comment box below. If you have any suggestions about the new videos, please mention those also in the comment box. If you haven't already, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to Top 5% Club. Until next time, my friends, start today. Start eating healthy today for the new lifestyle. Until next time, my friends, start today for better tomorrow and take action now and be a legendary.